to add full reel on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add full reel on Instagram story. So in order to share the full reel on your Instagram, all you have to do is just select the reel from the reel section of on your Instagram account, or you can choose it from the feed as well. So just click on the reel section from the bottom of the screen. And from here, just select the reel that you would want to share on your Instagram. So for example, I want to share this particular reel on my Instagram account. Just simply click on the share icon. And over here, you have a bunch of different options like add to your story, WhatsApp status, and share icon, copy link, etc. When you click on add to story, you can see that this story is of just 10 seconds, and the Instagram will share the entire story as it is without cutting it into 15-second stories timeline that it used to do earlier. Then yeah, just simply click on your story and just share it with your friends. And this is basically how you will be able to add full reel on Instagram story. I hope you find this video to be helpful.